Okay, so today I'm gonna color this picture of an elephant spraying some water. Let's start on her face first. Let's make her eyes blue. And her toenails a light yellow. And let's color in her skin light gray. And let's color in the water she's spraying light blue. Okay, now I'm all finished coloring in this elephant. Next, let's color in the stuff in the background. Let's make the grass down here green. Let's color in the water down here light blue. And lastly, let's color in the sky up here a light aqua blue. Okay, I'm all finished. Wow, this picture turned out so cool. This elephant just looks so adorable. She just loves to play in the water. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm KiMMi the Clown. Hope you had fun clowning around with me today. This little elephant is just the cutest. Have a fun day and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye! Wow, coloring is so much fun. Like this video if you like to color too. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to check out my last Crayola coloring page video. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button because I post fun videos every single day. Love you guys. Bye!